Ja se zovem Mina Lužanin, dolazim iz Beograda i ovo je moja drugarica Dominika. This is Dominika from Czech Republic.
Hi.
So we met each other in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina this summer. So she went there for work and travel program also. And we worked together in a jewelry store, in a pearl store. So do you want to say something?
Okay. So I was also working in a hardware cafe and I met the best girl in Pickup Pearl. So we spent both summer together and I came to Serbia to visit her. And we also came with our friends from Turkey. We met also them too in Myrtle Beach.
So this is my first year with this agency and the program and everything. All of my friends, they went some of them 2 times, some of them 3 times. All the impressions are very nice and everyone is really positive about the whole thing. And it's your second time?
My second time in Myrtle Beach, and I would really recommend to go there because for a living it's not that expensive. You can make good money. I would recommend to work in a restaurant or find a second job also. And I mean, it's a really good place because there is the ocean, nice weather, you can meet a lot of people from different countries.
Yeah, there's also a place to go out, there's also nice places to eat, to visit, to go with your friends, but you can also find really good jobs. If you go, I would recommend to go beginning of the June because you can find the second job really easily. I found it the first time I went and asked for a job, I get the job, so it was really easy for me.
Yeah, for me too. I would recommend maybe in the end of the May or beginning of June because the season is starting from the beginning of June, and the best time to go out of Myrtle Beach is September, beginning of September, because then the season is slowing down and there is really that.
Yeah, there's no people at the end of September, so you can go travel and go back home, hopefully. We went together to
Bahamas, Miami, New York, Niagara Falls,
yeah.
Washington, and we have also some problem with the hurricane, so we had to leave the Myrtle Beach, and instead of Orlando and Tampa, we went to New York.
Yeah, we had to change the whole plan.
Yeah, it was hectic.
Yeah, but it's all possible.
We survived.
We survived. It was really, really nice. It was my first time on the big cruise. It was her second time.
My second time. First time I went to Caribbean. It was also really nice. But the sea and the weather and everything is better on Bahamas for sure.
And you don't need any kind of visa or anything. It's nothing complicated. If you have American visa, it's enough for you to go to Bahamas. So don't worry, because a lot of students, they were scared they're not gonna be able to go there and come back. But it's all legally.
Yeah, and I mean a lot of students go for the boat, for the cruise. It's the best. The best place to go, best experience.
It's cheap for, I mean, you can find something for $400 and everything is included, food, drinks, except for alcohol, so you can bring your own alcohol.